Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Moneylin's automatic bill pay. Let's get straight into it. So Moneylin's automatic bill pay allows you to pay your bills automatically and avoid late fees. So it's pretty useful, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So first thing you got to do is to log into your Moneyline account. Of course, you got to do that using your email address and password. Now once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the bills section by clicking on the bills tab. Next, you got to click on set up automatic bill pay, and then you can select the biller that you intend to make use of. Next, you want to enter your biller information and confirm the setup. And once that's done, you want to wait for Moneylion to execute the automatic bill payment. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up Moneylin's automatic bill pay. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.